Welcome to GSD Brainers, the place where curiosity meets discovery. 4.5 billion years ago, our star sparked to life, leaving behind a disk of dust that started orbiting the newly formed sun. This dust eventually came together to create the other worlds of our solar system, including our home. This marked the birth of our planet Earth. In the grand scheme of cosmic events, the birth of a planet is a spectacle of unimaginable proportions. The story of Earth begins in a cloud of dust and rocks swirling around in the vast emptiness of space. This cosmic ballet, governed by the laws of gravity, caused these particles to slowly come together, coalescing into a molten mass that would eventually form the Earth. But the young Earth was not the serene sphere we see today. Picture a world under constant bombardment, pelted by other celestial bodies, each collision contributing to its growth. This period of heavy bombardment was a chaotic yet crucial phase in Earth's formation, leading to the planet's increase in size and mass. At this point, Earth looks more like hell, with temperatures over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The entire globe was an endless ocean of molten rocks. A young Mars-sized planet called Theia headed straight towards Earth at an estimated speed 20 times faster than a bullet. This event, known as the Giant Impact, liquefied both of the planets. The collision between the young Earth and Theia was an incredibly energetic event, with the energy involved estimated to be 100 million times larger than the event believed to have caused the extinction of the dinosaurs. During the collision, vaporized chunks of the young Earth's crust were thrown into space. Gravity then bound these ejected particles together to form an Earth ring, eventually creating the Moon. The material that formed the Moon primarily came from the crust of the young Earth. Computer simulations and models suggest that the Moon was formed at a distance of about 15,000 to 20,000 miles from Earth, compared to the current average distance of 238,000 miles. Back then, Earth spun much faster than today, and a full day lasted only 6 hours. It will take hundreds of millions of years for the Moon to slowly reach its current position, and for the Earth to complete its familiar 24-hour rotation cycle as we know it. As Earth continued cooling down over millions of years, a period known as the Great Bombardment occurred, during which debris from the creation of the solar system rained down on Earth. Meteorites. These icy travelers hurtling through space could have brought with them the water that now fills our oceans and rivers. As the bombardment subsided, the planet began to cool. The molten surface hardened, forming the first crust, a thin veneer enveloping the seething mass beneath. This crust was the first step towards creating the solid ground we walk upon today. And just like that, within a few 100 million years, our planet had taken shape. But it was far from the Earth we know today. The temperature is around 170 degrees, and with the Moon closer to Earth, it has created tides like we have never seen before. When you combine these adverse conditions, you get a monstrous storm far stronger than any storm humans have ever encountered. Now that our Earth had formed, the next big question is, when and how did life begin? Take yourself back in time about 3.5 billion years ago. The Earth was a vastly different place, but it was here that the first sparks of life started to flicker. Theories suggest that life may have originated in the deep ocean near hydrothermal vents. These underwater chimneys spewed out a rich brew of chemicals, providing the perfect cocktail for the development of life. The first organisms were simple, single-celled creatures. They were microscopic, yet they held within them the seed of all life to follow. Over billions of years, these tiny life forms evolved, becoming more complex, dividing and multiplying, forming the first multicellular organisms. Fast forward to around 540 million years ago to a period of time known as the Cambrian explosion. It was a time of rapid evolution and diversification. Life, in all its beautiful complexity, began to flourish in our oceans. Creatures with shells, with eyes, with legs, with wings, life was exploring every possible form and function. Remember, this evolution did not happen overnight. It was a slow, painstaking process. Millions upon millions of years of trial and error, of adaptation and survival. But through all the challenges and changes, life persisted, evolving and adapting to every twist and turn. Life, as we know it, had begun its journey, but it was not a smooth ride. Fast forward to about 230 million years ago, and the Earth was ruled by creatures unlike any we see today. The dinosaurs, with their towering heights, colossal weights, sharp teeth, and fierce roars, these formidable beasts truly were the lords of the Earth. Their reign spanned a jaw-dropping 165 million years, a period known as the Mesozoic era. This era was a time of tremendous biodiversity, with dinosaurs evolving into a stunning array of shapes and sizes. From the massive, long-necked sauropods to the small, feathered velociraptors, these creatures were as diverse as they were magnificent. But as we know, all good things must come to an end. About 65 million years ago, a catastrophic event, likely a meteor impact, caused a mass extinction. This event wiped out an estimated 3/4 of all species on Earth, including most of the dinosaurs. The skies darkened, temperatures plummeted, and the world as the dinosaurs knew it was forever changed. However, in the wake of this devastation, a new opportunity arose. With the dinosaurs out of the picture, mammals who had been living in the shadows began to flourish. They evolved to fill the niches left vacant by the dinosaurs, eventually giving rise to a new dominant species: us, humans. The Age of Dinosaurs had ended, paving the way for a new era. The long journey of planet Earth. We've traveled from the fiery birth of our planet to the first stirrings of life in its oceans. We've witnessed the reign of the dinosaurs and the rise of our own species. Each chapter in Earth's history is a testament to the extraordinary resilience and adaptability of life. And as we've seen, the story is far from over. And so the story of Earth continues, with the next chapters yet to be written. That's all for today, folks. For more brain-boosting content, hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.